Vanakkam. Hi, how are you all? This is Sudha. Welcome to GST Creation Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dolly. I'm going to show you in two tutorials. Let's see how to make this. Shall we begin? Come, let's begin. For this project, I have used 3 mm crochet needle. Now make 4 chains and make a slip knot on the first chain. Row 1, make 1, 2, 3 chains and find this hole there. There is a small circle. Inside that circle, make, this is the second double crochet. Chain 3 is considered as one double crochet. Next, this is third double crochet, fourth double crochet. Total 24 double crochets here. The last part of row number 1, right, make a slip knot on the third chain and finish it off. Row number 1 completed. 24 double crochets. Row number 2, make 3 chains, wrap the yarn and skip the next stitch. On the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. And 1 chain. Right, now skip the next stitch and make 1 double crochet on the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the stitch and make a V stitch on the next stitch. Okay, this is the pattern. V stitch and 1 double crochet. 6 V stitches and 6 1 double crochets are there. Make a slip knot on the second chain and finish it off the second row. Now move to the row number 3, make a slip knot on the chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3 chains, and on the V stitch make 1 double crochet, 2 and 3 double crochet. Now make 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and slip stitch on the first chain. Again make 2 more double crochet. Here total 5 double crochet in the V stitch. Right, now chain 1, make a double crochet on the chain 1 space. Again chain 1 and make another double crochet on this chain 1 space, next chain 1 space rather. Chain 1 and repeat the same. On the V stitch, make 1, 2, 3 double crochet and make 4 chains. Make a slip knot on the first chain and make 2 more double crochet on the same V stitch. Continue the same. The last part of row number 3, make a slip knot on the second chain and finish it off. Row number 3 completed. Now row number 4, make a slip knot on the chain 1 space and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains and skip this 5 double crochet, this part. Okay, and move on to the chain 1 space and make a slip knot. Now again 1, 2, 3 chains and skip those 2 double crochet and make a slip knot on the chain 1 space. Again repeat the same 6 double chains, slip knot on the chain 1 space, again 3 chains and slip knot on the chain space. Make a slip knot on the same space and finish it off. Row number 4 completed. See how it is? Right, now we are move on to row number 5. I am going to do the workings on that chain 6 space. Make a slip knot and make 2 chains here. That is considered as 1 double crochet. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochet. Total 8 double crochet on this chain 6 space. Now move on to the chain 3 space. Make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and chain 1. Make another 2 double crochet on the same chain 3 space. Continue this sequence. 8 double crochet on the chain 6 space and make double V double crochet on the chain 3 space. The last part of row number 5, make a slip knot on the second chain and finish it off. Done. Row number 5 completed. Now we are going to move on to row number 6. Make 1, 2, 3 chains and make 1 double crochet on the next chain. 1 chain and make double crochet on the next stitch. It's total 8 double crochet and 8 chain 1 space. Now onto the double V space, make 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and make 1 2 chains, and again make 2 more double crochet on the same space. Continue this sequence. Now the last part of row number 6, make a slip knot on the second chain and finish it off. Row number 6 completed. Thank you for watching my video. See you all in part 2. Nandri, vanakkam.